Allika, go a little in. And that was another delightful, energetic performance. I'm sure each one of you had goosebumps by the end of it. And now for the Tilana, a rhythmic composition that is the concluding item of every Bharatnatyam repertoire. The Tilana is predominantly a Nritta piece with a little bit of Abhinaya dedicated to a deity. Today the Tilana is going to be performed, is the composition by the doyen of music, Padma Vibhushan late Sri Balamurali Krishna. Resembling a Spanish melody, it is set in Ragam Kadana Kutuhalam, dedicated again to Lord Krishna. One last time for tonight, presenting to you the grand finale, the Tilana by Maya Dance Company. I feel like it got over too soon. All the best, girls. That was indeed a spellbinding end to a wonderful show and a splendid presentation by the Maya Dance Company. Let me assure you, ladies and gentlemen, it takes countless hours of practice, sweat, mental and physical exertion, cohesion, and hard work to create such dance masterpieces. And indeed, their performance today is a testimony to the magic the human body is capable of creating through just music and dance. I'm sure you're all waiting to know these talented dancers. I present to you Kaki Shrihita, choreographer, yoga instructor and event manager. BKS Malika, an engineer in the making. Basava Saurabh Punishetty, senior consultant at Noidesic, an IBM company. R. Krishna. Pranati Kannala, a student of architecture. Dr. Namrata Kannala, MBBS. Dr. Neha Muralidharan, MBBS. And Bhavana Gauri Penubolu, founder and principal choreographer of the Maya Dance Company. I would like to now call upon Ms. Bhavana Gauri to say a few words about her experience.
A very good evening to everyone who's present over here today. I hope that you all had a culturally rich evening and you'll enjoyed our performance. Before I go ahead with my speech, I request you all to put your hands together once more for all these amazing dancers, the whole team of Maya Dance Company, my dearest sister who is also our artistic manager of Maya Dance Company, Indira Penubolu. She's literally ran pillar to post to make things fall into place and make this performance happen. The dancers have worked really hard, day in and out practicing, sweating it out like crazy. And I hope you all enjoyed this performance. And
I'll call each one of them. I can do that. I have
we'd
the
love to
names
come
here.
back over here for future performances too.
Rahul is not here, so don't take Rahul's name.
Okay. Done.
Yeah, so Maya Dance Company is actually, this is our first performance together. So I hope that we keep we stick together and do more and more interesting choreography, more relevant, more contemporary.
only the chairman,
Today what we
Surana and
presented
myself.
was to suit
that's all.
the
Yeah,
occasion
co-chairman.
of Ugadi. But please stay tuned. You can always follow us on social media and get to know more about all of us.
Narendra Surana.
And before I conclude, nothing goes without saying a thank you to our gurus, all of our gurus, because of whom we are here today. Amongst us, Sita Aunty is here today, Sita Uppala Garu, one of our gurus. Okay. Thanks a lot to Secunderabad Club for giving us this opportunity, to the committee members, Umesh Juluri Garu, to the president of the club, to the chairman of entertainment, and yes, I think I will conclude my speech over here. Thank you all once again.
Thank you very much, Bhavna. I would like to now call upon the President, Mr. Raghuram Reddy, the Chairman of Entertainment, Mr. Narendra Surana, and the Co-Chairman of Entertainment, Mr. Umesh Juluri, to present a small token of appreciation for their beautiful dance, hard work and dedication.
I thought of random, but 45 minutes or 1 hour, I really enjoyed. It was a very
Come back after this.
To Pranati Kannala, to Srihita, to Neha Muralidharan, she's a doctor of course, and to Malika, to Dr. Namrata, to Saurabh, and I already mentioned Bhavna, so thank you very much, sir. I now call upon Mr. Umesh Juluri, Co-Chairman of Entertainment, to propose the vote of thanks on behalf of the Secunderabad Club.
Thank you, Indu.
Krutagnyata. If Krutagnyata was also a dance form in Bharatanatyam, then I'm tempted today to learn the art of Krutagnyata, to express my gratitude to Maya Dance Company for the memorable
take a bow,
performance
guys.
today and welcoming Ugadi, the new year. We are all indeed elated by the Maya Bhavna Gauri handed to the cast owners. My sincere thanks to all of those who have worked backstage and the Master of Ceremonies, Miss Indra,
Thank you.
for conducting this program so rapturously. I thank my colleagues in the club, the staff, and especially Colonel Talwar for his support. My gratitude to Mr. Raghuram Reddy, the President, Rahul Rao, Vice President, Mr. Narendra Surana, Chairman Entertainment, Secunderabad Club, for encouraging these artists and providing them the platform for showing the talent. A special mention to the makeup artist, Mr. Parmesh, Ms. Bharati for hair, Nihar for videography, and Akhil for photography, Bahadur for the stage decor, Anand for the sound and light arrangement, and Mr. Vittal and Subhash Reddy for this arrangement. I would like to specially thank the House Committee headed by the chairman Ashwin Nandan Singh and Mr. Ram Brahmam, and aptly supported by Mr. Colonel Venkat Reddy and Deepanjal. And I'm so sure that today's food will be a treat for your taste buds. And a big thank you to all the Rashikas in this audience who have come and enjoyed this performance. We hope to delight you with many more such performances. Thanking you all once again, Umesh Jewellery co-chairman, for entertainment. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. That was really a very nice thank you note, and we're very happy to be here, the Maya Dance Company. Once again, I thank everyone for gracing the evening and wish you all a very happy Ugadi. మీ అందరికీ మరోసారి శుభకృత నామ సంవత్సర శుభాకాంక్షలు. With that, Indira Penubolu signing off. See you. Good job, guys. Y'all want to take a picture like this on stage or look up?
Was it?
It was very nice. Superb. They said no. Yeah.